Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make logo for trading in Canva. What you need to do. But before that, if you want to master Canva, try Skillshare for free for 1 month and find amazing classes to post your Canva designs. Sign up now. I will leave the link in the description below. Let's get started. How to make logo for trading in Canva. First, you need to go to Canva and log into your account, and then in the left sidebar just click templates, and then in the search bar just type logo for trading. Okay, now just scroll down and choose the logo you like, but just keep in mind some logo they have this crown icon. This is for Canva Pro subscribers. You need to subscribe in Canva Pro to get access to those templates, but there are many templates they don't have this icon and you can use them for free. Okay, now just scroll down and okay, for example this one, and then click customize this template. You can customize everything you want here. Here exchange. Okay, we can change this. We can say, for example, trading Pro, or here trading Pro. Okay, this one here and here, just delete it. Okay, this one, move it here and bold it, increase the size. Okay, now this image, just if you want to change it, just click here and then click delete, and then you can go to elements, and then in the search bar just type trading, and here graphics, just click see all, and then just scroll down and choose the image you want. Okay, for example this one here, and just move it a little bit up. Here increase the size, and then you can change the background. Just click here and here background color, for example we need light yellow, okay, or light green, or yeah, light gray, it's okay. And when you are happy with the templates, just click share, and then click download, and then download again. This is what you need to do if you want to make logo for trading in Canva. I hope this video is helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you have found value in this video. That will help me to grow and will help my followers to find my future video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.